Welcome to the Learning Speaking English channel. Today, we're unlocking something that can completely transform your confidence in English, the power of small talk. You know those light, casual conversations that seem simple, but can actually open big doors? Yes, that's small talk. And by the end of this episode, you'll have a clear plan to start small talk, keep it going, and make it feel natural and fun. So grab your headphones and let's dive in. Part 1. Why small talk matters. Think about this for a second. How many opportunities have you missed just because you didn't know what to say? Maybe you saw someone interesting at work, or met a new classmate, or wanted to speak to a foreign tourist. But you stayed silent. Small talk is not just talking about the weather. It's the doorway to real conversations. It helps you connect, build trust, and show your personality. Imagine this, in just 2 sentences, you can go from a stranger to someone worth remembering. Cool, right? Part 2. The golden formula of small talk. Now let's learn the simple 3-step formula. Step 1. Start with a friendly opener. Hi, how's your day going? Hey, it's such a nice day today, isn't it? Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Anna. Keep it light, relaxed, and natural. Smile when you speak. Step 2. Find common ground. Ask easy, open-ended questions like, so, what brings you here today? Do you work nearby? Have you watched any good movies lately? Listen carefully. Pick up small details from their answers to continue the talk. Step 3. Share something about yourself. Don't make it one-sided. If they say, I love coffee, you can say, oh same. I actually can't start my morning without coffee. Here is a secret. People love talking to those who make them feel interesting. Be that person. Part 3. Topics that always work. Now let's talk about safe and universal small talk topics. These never fail. Weather, it's so sunny today. Food, have you tried that new cafe near the station? Hobbies, what do you usually do on weekends? Travel, what's the most beautiful place you have visited? Entertainment, are you watching any new series these days? Current events, light and positive ones only. Pick your favorite 3 topics from this list. Ready? Keep them in your mental pocket so you're never blank again. Part 4. The magic of active listening. Here is something most people forget. Small talk is 50% listening. Nod, smile, use small reactions like, oh really? That's interesting. Wow, tell me more. This makes the other person feel valued. And when they feel valued, they enjoy talking to you. Next time someone speaks, focus on one detail they say and ask about it. It shows you are genuinely listening. Part 5. How to exit smoothly. Sometimes you want to end the talk politely. Here are a few natural ways. It was really nice talking to you. I hope we meet again soon. I should get going, but I really enjoyed this chat. Thanks for the conversation. Have a great day. This keeps the door open for future talks. Remember, small talk is like planting a seed. You don't need it to grow instantly, just plant it well. Part 6. Practice, the real key. Here is the truth, you won't become great at small talk by just listening to this. You become great by practicing small moments every day. Start small. Talk to a shopkeeper. Say hello to your neighbor. Ask a classmate about their weekend. Every short conversation is a victory. Don't aim to be perfect. Aim to be friendly. Because confidence comes from action, not from waiting. Part 7. Bonus phrases for small talk. Let me give you some powerful ready-made lines you can use anytime. That's really cool. I've never thought about it that way. Wow, that sounds exciting. Oh, I love that too. Really? Tell me more. These small phrases keep the energy alive in your talk. Part 8. Mindset Matters. Finally, remember this golden rule: people don't remember your grammar, they remember how you made them feel. So relax. Smile. Be curious. Be kind. Even if your English is not perfect yet, if your heart is warm, people will enjoy talking to you. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is connection. And that's it. You're now ready to use your small talk superpower. Start today. Try one small talk with one new person. Because every conversation you start brings you one step closer to speaking English with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Learning Speaking English channel. See you next time, and happy talking!